The benefits of engineered stone countertops. Dear friends, this material is often referred to in the industry as quartz, but the name engineered stone gives you a better idea of what it is. Unlike natural stone countertops that are cut from pure granite, marble or sandstone, engineered stone counters are made from quartz crystals held together with a resin binder. They have a similar appearance to natural stone, but they possess benefits not available with natural materials. Let's take a look at the advantages of engineered stone countertops. Engineered stone countertops are very attractive. The quartz material is compressed into slabs that have similar color and texture to natural granite and slate. One difference you'll notice is that the color is more uniform than the variations in hue you'll find in most slabs of natural stone. While those who appreciate the character of natural stone may view this as a disadvantage, the benefit is that the engineered stone used throughout your kitchen will match perfectly. Colors available for engineered stone kitchen counters include earth tones across the entire spectrum, rose, grays and more. Most of the color comes from the natural color in the quartz, though colorants can be added to achieve the desired tone. Engineered stone counters wear very well. The finished material is very hard, nearly as hard as granite. It has the advantage in that it won't crack as easily as granite or slate does. It is very resistant to heat, so a hot pan won't leave a scorch mark. The surfaces are resistant to scratches and cuts, though it's still recommended you use a cutting board on top of them. Cleaning is easy. One of the downsides to natural stone countertops is that they are porous. This leaves room for bacteria to get into fissures and pores where it can be tough to eradicate. The surface of quartz countertops won't absorb liquids, making cleanup easier and more effective. If you work with raw vegetables, fish or meat in your kitchen, then engineered stone will prove an asset to food safety. Surfaces won't stain. Natural stone is susceptible to staining from oil, wine, juice and other substances if not properly sealed or if the sealant wears off. Engineered countertops stand up to these materials very well. They'll look better longer than their granite, marble or sandstone counterparts. You've got lots of options. Sandstone kitchen counters come in a wonderful array of colors and styles, so you'll certainly find several that will go very well in your kitchen remodeling plans. Some of the leading brands are Silestone, Caesarstone, Cambria, Okite, Technistone, and Icestone. Conclusion: if you love the look of natural stone but want counters that don't require the same level of care, engineered stone countertops are a fantastic alternative. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.